In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how we can change your Steam password just in few minutes. This will be an easy tutorial for you guys, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, you just need to open your Steam account like this and go to your home page like this. Click on your name over here, okay? Just click on your name, go to account details, okay? Click on account details, okay? And it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, okay? Keep scrolling down, go to account security over here and click on change my password. Okay, just click on change my password. It's gonna take you to this page, and as you can see, how would you like to change your password? Email and account verification code to. If you want to change your password, they will send a code to your email address over here. Okay, or you can click over here on I no longer have access to this email address. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna choose this option, the first option like this, and they will send a code, a verification code to your email address. Okay, so go and check your email address and put your code over here. Click on continue. Then you will be able to use new password. Okay, you can change your password and create new password. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how we can change Steam password accounts just in few minutes, and see you in my next video.